A wise man once said, "A computer is only as good as its mouse." Or I just made that up. Either way, today we'll be looking at Jack's new mouse for his new PC, the M55 RGB PRO. Now Jack has been using this mouse for a number of days. Either way, he was nice enough to rebox it for us. And we will again unbox it after reading the box here. It says it is a high performance 12,400 DPI sensor, lightweight at just 86 grams. I weigh in a little more than 86 grams. And it features durable construction and a braided cable with a simple plug-and-play setup. Also, if you're ambidextrous, which means you can use both your right and left hand equally as well, it features that as well. I am a simple plebe and simply can only use one hand to use my mouse. System requirements are PC with a USB port. Makes sense. Windows 10, Windows 8, or Windows 7, and an internet connection to download the iCUE software. Let's open the box. Take it. Jack's already cut the tape. Pop her open. And then the old heave-ho. Empty. Take this. Slowly but surely, we find a warranty guide. Nope. Directions. Nope. And last but not least, the piece de resistance, the mouse. Here it is. And the braided cable with a nice Velcro strap, which untangles to show you, wow, we got a pretty lengthy cord so you can slide around in game. Let's get this box out of the way, plug it in to my lappy top, like so. Do I have this the right way? Nope, I don't. Cha-ching. See some nice LED colors on here. This is switchable through the iCUE software, but I will not take the time to install that in front of you today. On the mouse itself, there are two buttons on the side here that you can use with your thumb. A scroll button in the center here. Oh, and I'm making things go crazy on my computer. As well as a adjustable DPI button with 3 presets. This one on the 3411 have a media page. I believe is the lowest on red. Very slow. Mid. Oh my goodness, we are going nuts. And last but not least, the highest of the high. Or I think this is the middle one actually. Either way, adjustable for on-the-fly DPI adjustment in-game because you are a pro. On the other side, there are 2 buttons as well to feature that ambidextrous play style on the side, and then a scroll button in the center. There's some plastic still on here. Let's start. Well, I shouldn't have cut my fingernails today. All right, now that the airplane has gone by, we can finish this ASMR experience. Short and sweet, just like this video. And since I know you enjoyed it so much, don't forget to drop a like, click that subscribe button so you can see more, and check out some of our other videos over here, because we at 3411 Heaven want to bring you into the fold of our family of tech lovers who like watching people open up boxes. Thanks for watching, folks. That's all I have for today. Bird out.